Does nature not blow your mind though? If you see a large animal, you just think, how has something grown to that size? And like, I mean, when I found out about the wallaroo, like that black kangaroo, I was just like, I'm 24 years old. How do I not know about this animal? Yeah, the giant moth. I can't find it, but that was like 30cm wingspan. And I'm like, moths shouldn't grow to that size. Well, they have. They've gone for it. And what's eating that? More importantly, what is it eating to grow to that size? The narwhal was mental as well. It's like a whale with a fucking horn on its head. I don't know why they're not getting more press, because they're fucking amazing.
What? Narwhals?
Narwhals. Well, just on the subject of animals, why the army not training fucking narwhals? Look at that. So, good body, probably going to be intelligent. Oh, big fucking sword on its head as well. So can go hand to hand and can plant bombs on stuff. Makes sense. Listen up, US Navy.